Thank you for being here to hear my TeloYouth story. I had a terrible fall in 2022 and I landed on my elbow and I knew my arm was messed up. Went to urgent care. There was a lot of sort of swelling and bleeding in there. And I also did a partial tear of my hamstring from top to bottom. I had trouble walking. I was limping for a long time. It was quite a project. I immediately upped my TeloYouth from 8 per day to 24. I was also starting a new job, and that was giving me the opportunity to drive 45 minutes twice a day. And there was a lot of stress, just physical stress from healing like that, and new job anyway. 7 weeks later, my physical therapist said, there's like a weird noise in there, like crunchy. Do you want to go see a shoulder specialist just because? And I said, sure. So we got an MRI, and in fact, there were 2 breaks. There was a break across the humerus, and then the very top of the humerus was in 3 pieces and mending together spontaneously. So I had like a puzzle piece project going on at the top of my humerus, and it was already mending. The shoulder specialist said he had never seen that kind of spontaneous healing on breaks like that, and that we didn't need to do anything to it, and that all I needed to do was wait for the bones to fully mend and work on my range of motion with my shoulder, and that's where I am. So I'm so grateful to TeloYouth, and also to my family who all got kicked off of TeloYouth while I stole their stash. It is great to be alive.